When the suffering of another creature causes you to feel pain, do not submit to the initial desire to flee from the suffering one, but on the contrary, come closer, as close as you can to he who suffers, and try to help him. Leo Tolstoy. Hello, students. I was posting on TikTok and playing my ukulele and responding to questions and overall having fun when the option came up, do I want to post to Instagram? So I usually press yes, and then I am shown some other images on Instagram of other people's posts, and within a split second my mood changes because of what I am reminded goes on. And I know that many of you are also suffering from dystopia, the anguish of being vegan in a non-vegan world. But I feel it's important to show you, those of you who are not yet vegan, what happens, so you'll understand us a little bit more. This is a typical post that I see. And I warn you, it's not easy to look at, but it is essential. It's essential that we know what goes on so we can stop it. This is a machine built by humans. This is your hamburger. This is your steak. This is what happens. This was a friend. This was the suffering that the other animal witnessed. This is the unspeakable cruelty that humans engage in just for taste pleasure. Imagine living your life on a factory farm and being betrayed by humans this way. Everyone who lives near a store can choose any other options. It has been proven that nobody needs to eat meat to survive. I can't even imagine living a life of hell and then being put on a truck, hoping you might be going to a green pasture instead of the factory farm that you lived on, hoping to finally be able to feel the grass beneath your feet, to feel the sunshine, and to be free. And then to get off the truck, which in itself is scary, loud noises and movement. Then to be taken off the truck. And to be led down a hallway where all you smell is blood. We can have a vegan world. We can. It doesn't mean it will ever be perfect, but it means that we strive 3 times a day with the food that we choose to eat to not harm them. It's so simple. Just don't hurt them. Being vegan is so easy when you think about the victims. You don't think about yourself, and you have compassion for others. The same people who are able to take part in this and not object to it are the same people that stayed silent when millions of Jews were harmed in World War II. If you want to know what you would have done during those times, just look at your behavior now. If this is something that you in your heart and in your gut know is wrong, then you can help to stop it. You can Google vegan recipes. You can go to challenge22.com where they give free help. You can find vegan groups in Facebook to help you. You can subscribe to this channel, and I will continue to encourage you to stay on the right side of history. When you look back on your life, do you want to be proud of yourself, knowing you were brave enough to speak out? You can do it. Thanks for listening. Thanks for being here with me. And thanks for trying your best.